Hi, welcome to Evidence for Learning, a powerful tool for gathering observations, capturing evidence and tracking learning. Let's have a look at some of the features. But before we start, let's change the colour. Great! Now let's add some learners. Tap on the Settings button in the top left and then tap Learners in the System Data. We'll need to add some learners. We can press the plus button and choose Import Data. I'm just adding first names for now, but you can add more details. And there's a link to a web page with more information on this screen. And now let's quickly make a group. Groups are a great tool for organising your learners, and this group will make for Miss Watson. Now let's set up our frameworks. Evidence for Learning comes preloaded with many frameworks, and you're unlikely to need them all. So let's assume we want to work with EYFS and P-scales. We'll delete the others with a swipe gesture. Let's add a framework that wasn't in our preloaded list. There are over 60 to choose from around the world, or you can add your own. In this case, let's add Roots for Learning. Okay, we're set up. Let's capture some evidence. Let's add a learner. Use the camera or the camera roll to add a photo. Let's add some comments, and we're going to use a preset template. Preset templates help us give a consistent structure. You can set your own preset comments in the settings. And let's tick a few statements from the EYFS framework. And lastly, we can add tags. Let's tag this evidence as a wow moment. And let's change the status from draft to published. That way it'll appear in the documents we create. And that's it. We've captured our first evidence. Press the Evidence button to see and amend the evidence we've created. So let's take a look at how we make documents and track the learning. But first, let me add some more evidence. Okay. Let's tap the Report button. And we can look at document settings. We can give the document a title, and we can change the layout format too. Let's tap New Learning Journey, and then we'll specify Miss Watson's group. Tap Next to see the evidence that meets the criteria. And we can further fine-tune which evidence we want to include. Tap Make PDF to create the files. Let's open the File screen to see the documents. With a subscription, your logo is embedded on the document. We can share Jack's learning journey using the options in the top right, or send it straight to the printer. now let's see how we track progress. The app comes with a predefined EYFS tracking grid, but you can build grids to suit your needs. We choose the learners and then tap Make Grid. And the app has created a PDF file showing real-time progress, reflecting the evidence captured in the app. And as with the learning journeys, we can share this document or print it directly from the device. And lastly, if we look at Jack's learner profile, we can see all of his evidence. And all of the documents we've created for him. This tutorial just covers some of the features. There's lots more to see. Have fun exploring, and please remember to share with your friends and colleagues.